Hey, what's going on, y'all? Jimmy Macrum. It's time for episode 3 of season 3 of Sons of Anarchy. Let's get to it.
Army doesn't get involved in specifics.
I don't give a shit what the Army does. Your guy has my son.
Sorry, Jax.
You're sorry.
Oh, shit.
It's in my bedroom.
I see no harm. I promise.
Really? What's Sean running around doing? Everything?
I have no goddamn idea.
Someone must know his routine.
Yeah. Somebody does.
Are you insane?
It's complicated.
Is someone there?
Right into this world.
Jeff is awesome. I'm sorry.
Anything happens to my dad because of your stalling, I'll make sure you end up in this wheelchair permanently.
Oh, shit!
Gemma!
Hey, guys.
You good with that? Okay, personal appearances, 10 grand each. Come on. Hey, you're getting the family rate. I'd double that price on the street.
Give us the guns.
Jesus. All right.
Looks like you got yourself an empty chair.
Indeed. Sim quo persona non grata? I was kind of dumb to
Got a hit for Timothy. No questions asked. First rate track. Needs cash wired to him before I'll start looking. 10 grand ahead.
Do it.
No! What's her face? She's also from Deadwood. Jane.
I can't ask you guys to take that hit.
But I can't. Who's up for a Canadian adventure?
Jesus, how could I do that? Stupid bitch.
You have her tied up in a basement. You can't expect her to be
I'm
cooperative.
not talking about her.
Oh, Jesus! Please don't. Pressing ass shit. Jimmy can't go anyway because she's got to watch over her dad. You can't trust what you call to do it anymore. Have to be tied her up.
I just don't want you ending up.
What?
Sad.
You're my guy.
Take the fucking money though. What's wrong with her?
No circulation. I'll cut one hand free, let the blood flow back in. Don't do anything stupid.
Don't do it.
Thank you. Can I trouble you for the bedpan? Sorry.
Come on. Come on, oh, Tara, don't let me down.
I can't, can you just slide it a little more?
Oh my.
I got rid of it.
Why?
Did I kill someone?
Oh.
No, Daddy.
You haven't seen Friday? Take these shoes.
Oh! No! Where are the keys, Snake?
Okay.
No!
Oh shit, I got her?
Oh my god.
Alright.
She's dead.
You must have been at the top of your fucking class.
Good job, Doc. Gemma.
Will he take jewelry?
I'll call him.
All right, go keep my dad busy.
All right.
Gemma catching bodies left and right.
Sorry, baby? A little less smoking, a little more sweeping? Yes, ma'am.
Damn it, who is she? She looks very familiar. Oh, that's what's her face. Sam.
Get a cell number for Gemma, tell her.
Why?
Part of the mouth shutting, not asking any questions. I'll give Half-Sack a call.
That's gonna be difficult.
Shit, I know you're gonna get my dick sucked. I'm starting to sound as whipped as you.
Just blow me.
I love you too, son.
Aww. Good times. I mean, besides the kid missing, obviously.
Hey.
Finally.
Sorry. Been a lot going on.
What was the crisis of the
Poquito.
night? Just stay put, okay?
Yeah.
Won't be an issue.
Sorry I left the way I did.
It's okay. As long as everyone's safe.
Yeah. Everyone's fine.
Hey, he's giving her a ride home.
Is this Stephen King? Let's go!
I think it's fine.
Good. I'm in the mood for some music. 80s.
I'll make that happen.
This guy is awesome. The fact that he's played by Stephen King is even better. Opie shouldn't be here for this. At all. Shit. But somebody grab a hold of Opie? Is nobody paying attention?
Opie, what are you doing?
Hopefully someone is filming it.
The biggest group of fuck-ups I've ever seen. All of them.
Why the hell was he here?
I don't know what he was thinking.
5, and I deal direct.
Get us our guns.
I'm trying to focus. It's frustrating how much they all suck. Remember Half-Sack in the cage? He fucked it up because so this dummy hugging them. Hey, they all stink.
It is.
Sad. Oh shit! Oh no! We're gonna tell her about the baby before fucking. Oh Jesus!
She ain't here.
They all stink.
It's all good, man. It was a stupid idea.
No,
I
it
shouldn't
wasn't.
have put you through it.
Yeah, you should have come, so to speak.
Belfast.
Cameron's in Ireland.
Then where's Abel?
All right, that was episode 3 of season 3 of Sons of Anarchy. Where would we begin? I'm not entirely certain. I grow frustrated. I know it's a show, so you have to have conflict, but so many of the characters appear to be lacking in common sense that it bothers me a lot. Borderlining on unrealistic. So much so that they pointed out, why is Opie even here? So we all know this is a bad idea. I cannot tell you how much that frustrated me. And it was hilarious to say. But come on, like, what are we doing? I guess you can put that on Clay, since he is the boss. But at a certain point. And you know, Jackson's got his own things going on, so he's not focused. What about Bobby? What do we think? Why is Opie here? I know there's other things that happen, more important things that happen in the episode. Why is he here? Besides the fact that we need him to snap so he can fuck everything up. Anyway. Other things. We finally got to see Cherry again. She found out that Half Sack is dead. And she's working with, I don't know her name, Trixie. That was a nice little surprise to see her again. I was like, she looks familiar. Oh. That aside, she's not pleased, and I can't knock it. I assume that's going to go awry at some point. I just ready for Jax to get his kid so we can move on. Though I am very happy how this has brought Jax and Clay together. This is the closest I've seen them. We've seen them. I mean, you've seen the whole show. One would imagine. But that we've seen them. Like, even in the first episode, there's some friction there. This is the closest. And I'm happy about it. It can't possibly last. But I am happy. I love Gemma. You know I love Gemma so much. But she's racking up quite the body count. This time she was cleaning up Tara's mess. Because Tara, while cleaning up Gemma's mess, fucking decided to fucking... I know she's new with this whole outlaw thing, so I kind of want to give her a pass, but Jesus Christ. It's hard for me to watch those scenes with the dad and the, I assume, Alzheimer's, some form of dementia, and it's hard for me to watch. It is my biggest fear. Well, it sucks for the person going through it. It also sucks for the people around him or her. That's my biggest fear. To deal with somebody who has it is my biggest fear in life. At this point, it just is. Anything else? I'm just ready for Jackson's kid. I'm ready for Jackson to get his kid so we can move on with life. Fingers crossed. Anyway, post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Jimmy Malcolm. It's time for episode 4, season 3 of Sons of Anarchy. Let's get to it.
It's 10 grand for Circus Tracker. Sold the pinhead.
Aww. Oh, Jesus. Got paid off. Mind your fucking business, lady. Unless you're gonna tell the sons, which we don't. This one. Let me go to this. But this just watch a show of people getting old. It makes me sad. It's a fact of life. I know, man.
Damn, I missed you.
Miss you too, baby. So much.
What, Dad? Jesus.
Tara, these boxes all going down?
Yes, please. Yeah, she, went home. Back to Guatemala. I think she was freaked out.
Yeah, I bet.
That made me feel icky, but I still agree with the choice. I get it. Jackson's opening it up and she's clamming up. It's odd, it's weird, it ain't right. Got a lot on his mind. Don't give him any more. And he's already worried about her. She doesn't go back to work, and
Get you good papers.
Maybe you go redhead for a while.
Oh, Christ. I'd rather shave my head.
that's
He'll die down.
hilarious.
To tell
I
her.
know.
Maybe we wait till Nate gets settled. Spread out the misery.
Never, by the way, never. Spread out good things. Bad things, you throw it all in one at once. Actually, you know what? This is a lie. I agree with Clay.
Oh, no. Get out of here. Get her up, get her up. Gotta move. Shit!
Oh, something.
Got no service. Tell us where the drugs are. We'll tear this whole goddamn place apart.
Suck my ass, you inbred puddle of piss!
Rip us nowhere.
Oh, shit.
Come on, let's go.
They got some, goddamn. They got some justified. That creep shooting.
You're not coming up north.
Yes, I am.
You want to be an old lady? Then act like one! Do what you're told!
Oh, shit.
Cut your shit!
Your mother kill someone. That old lady enough for you?
What are you talking about?
The caretaker. She attacked your mother.
What the hell did you do?
What?
Gotta go. Jesus Christ. This is later. Go.
Douchebag.
Meditate, but what am I supposed to do? Tyler's got such a temper. He told you, do what you told.
What do you want?
I'm just trying to get closer. I want to go with you to Vancouver.
No. If Jax goes away for that church assault, and I'm God knows where,
Shit.
someone has to take care of me.
Shit.
You'd be a good mom.
Tara, shut the fuck up.
I hate to see you and your toy wee family out in the street.
Jesus.
I don't know where the baby is.
I suggest you inquire.
Ain't the way to handle it.
Do it! Now!
Thank you.
Or your mom.
Thank you.
I think y'all earned it.
Where'd I know her from? Damn it.
Please, just take me home. Please.
I can't see this shit.
I can't. I want to go home. No, I have to go home.
There's lots of people waiting to meet you.
I have to go home now. No, I
Come on.
no, I have to. Please, I have to go home now.
Need someone from the outside to help us with Jimmy. Someone who's got as much to lose as we do.
So girl.
Wow.
She's on the run. Won't be using her own cell. Probably to throw away. I'll make some inquiries. See if I can get the number.
Wow, and the plot comes together. Holy shit. Poor Gemma. Oh my god, she definitely doesn't need this shit right fucking now.
Hello? Could you connect me to Agent Stahl?
Oh shit, what?
It's very important. I got a line on a fugitive.
What the fuck is Gemma doing now? Oh my god.
She went home. She went to see her family.
Abel.
Alright, maybe we should tell her. Jesus Christ. God damn it!
Nita been here with the baby?
No.
Cummy Hayes took your grandson.
He was my cousin. He brought the wee one to me to take care of him.
What?
It was in Belfast.
Oh shit!
In my way to be free. My own way to be free.
Alright, that was episode 4 of season 3 of Sons of Anarchy. Where to begin? First things first. I am very concerned about Gemma. Whenever news hits this hard and the person reacts, I gotta be honest, heart attack, whatever the fuck you wanna call it, was not on my list of what would happen. I knew she would freak the fuck out. I knew she would be highly upset, highly bothered, first by the situation, then by the fact that it was kept from her. Did not expect her to drop down, clutching her chest. I'm going to assume Dad didn't help that, dealing with that situation earlier in the day, as a matter of fact. That aside, you always wonder how things would have played out if it had been done differently. Like, let's say you told Gemma right away. Probably don't end up in this particular situation because the dad thing would have been spread out. However, who's to say she fucking does what's right and fucking moves away? She probably fucking runs off to do with this and then gets arrested and then, you know? So, I don't know. My guess is that Clay was... Well, it didn't play out right. I do think his thinking was right. We can't tell Gemma no after the dad thing. And then she finds out after the dad thing, and this is her exact response, is to have a fucking heart attack. Again, I'm presuming. Ugh. This priest, whose name I still didn't catch, they've said it 4 or 5 times now, I still don't fucking remember it. Mormont from Game of Thrones. He's got some brilliance to himself. Go ahead, sir. This is kind of gross, using a child to take care of Jimmy, who you feel is a problem, and he is, and not a fucking subtle one at that, going to his sister's house and threatening her outright. But he appears to have a game plan, at the very least. That's the most important. Anything else? I don't think so. Jax is a ticking fucking time bomb. His mannerism, he was super down in the first episode. He was a drunk mess in the shower. And then he's had peaks and valleys since where, you know, he gets really relieved when he finds out that Abel is still on the rock. We'll call it North America. And then really down when shit goes sideways. But he's becoming more and more kind of agitated with people higher up the chain. The way he was talking to Jimmy was fucking outrageous. So when he was talking to the other average guys, who didn't even do anything, we just gave him fucking information. This has got to get solved fucking quickly. It's concerning. Anyway, post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe.